Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Your device has Wi-Fi enabled, at least 30% battery, and recent OS updates. Next, enable the mobile hotspot or portable router. You do this because public networks can be unsafe. Once on, set a strong WPA3 or WPA2 password and change the default SSID so nearby devices won't auto-join. Make sure tethering is allowed on your plan and that data limits won't trigger throttling, because uninterrupted access depends on your carrier settings. Now you optimize and secure the link. Choose 5 GHz if your hotspot and device support it, because it reduces interference and raises speeds. Install and run a reputable VPN to encrypt traffic. This protects logins and sensitive data when you're off private networks. Once done, turn off file and printer sharing on connected devices and limit the number of clients to preserve bandwidth. Also adjust AP channel if you control the router, since less crowded channels improve stability. To finish, monitor signal strength and data usage so you don't hit caps unexpectedly. You'll want to watch performance during heavy tasks like video calls. If a device lags, restart the hotspot or toggle airplane mode to force a new network negotiation. That often clears DNS and routing glitches. If problems persist, swap the SIM into another phone or try a secondary device to isolate hardware versus carrier faults. One key troubleshooting tip: test with and without VPN to see if encryption is causing slowdowns.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.